When you're working on a job that requires cutting through metal, wood, or concrete, the best hole saw kit could pick up the slack effortlessly. Every professional wood or metal worker never forgets to keep a hole saw in his toolbox because they can handle the toughest cutting needs without slowing you down. You can also connect a hole saw with all standard drill or impact drivers. So in today's video, we'll show you the 7 best hole saw kits made of professional grade material to deal with the hardest task. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Enhance your wood and metal cutting performance with the LENOX Tools Hole Saw Kit, a high-grade tool set with the category's first-ever staircase design that increases your productivity. This 26-piece speed slot hole saw kit comes with T3 technology and is designed to provide you with 2 times more durability and a 50% longer life. Having larger teeth with high-end sharpness, this hole saw kit penetrates metal, while the 10% thicker wall improves reliability and minimizes tooth loss. The staircase design makes plug removal faster and easier, meaning you'll be able to do all your unplugging in seconds, and projects will be as easy as ABC. Apart from that, you'll be able to cut your wood, metal, and other materials more efficiently with the added durability. Even stainless steel or black pipe won't stop you. So pick up the LENOX Tools Hole Saw Kit before going to your job site and deal with all your toughest materials. Optimum performance and versatility meet the Greenlee 660, a durable hole saw kit made of quality material that can easily handle your metal cutting and even the hardest tasks. Made from high-grade stainless steel, this hole saw kit comes with a strong carbide tooth blade that allows you to easily tackle all your metal cutting and has a flange stop that prevents over-drilling. With 5 different cutter heads and a quick-changing hex key and an arbor, this Greenlee hole saw kit makes the saw changing way easier and offers a cutting range between 5/8 of an inch to 3 inches. Plus, it features an ejector spring that comes in all sizes above 3/4 of an inch to make slug removal easier, letting you save time on your projects. So if you're looking for a hole saw kit that conveys various cutting features, then you'll find all your desired qualities in the Greenlee 660. Complete cutting faster and more precisely with the BOSCH HB25M, a convenient hole saw kit with an exceptional design and suitable for all wood or metal cutting. The most convenient part of this kit is its quick change bit system that allows you to quickly swap between different sized hole saws. Because of the alternating sizes of the teeth, this kit cuts faster and more precisely, and the threadless design prevents seizing up in the mandrel. This durable set contains 25 different sized hole saws and adapters that are made of 8% cobalt alloy and has high heat resistance to ensure a longer life. Plus, this hole saw kit features a reinforced shoulder and easy plug removing abilities for maximum convenience, while the unique lock design minimizes wobbling. In short, this BOSCH hole saw kit would be a decent pick for you because of its worthwhile features and uniquely designed hole saws. Introducing the CRAFTSMAN CMAH-1 Set 7, an affordable yet quality full hole saw kit that comes with often used accessories and common size saws to meet all your cutting needs. This CRAFTSMAN hole saw kit has a bimetal construction which ensures you a long lifespan and added durability to use them on a wide variety of applications. Plus, it contains 6 of the most popular sized hole saws and an adapter, allowing you to handle all your regular wood or metal cutting jobs. At the same time, the storage case offers convenient storage. In addition to that, this hole saw kit is made up of quality material and protects tooth damage up to 345 revolutions per minute, and the arbor design lets you change hole saws quickly and easily. If you're looking for a low-priced yet solid-performing product that can tackle all professional or non-professional projects, then this CRAFTSMAN CMA H1 Set 7 will be worth checking out. Next up, we have the Diablo DHS14 SGP, a high-performing hole saw set that delivers faster cutting abilities and extra productivity in its class. This hole saw kit features 10 different sized bimetal hole saw cups and more essential accessories with quick cup changing for maximum job performance. Plus, it has up to a 60mm cutting depth that lets you make 40% deeper holes in a single pass, ensuring increased productivity and time-saving operation. With the Snap Lock Plus mandrel system that includes the mandrel, pilot bit, and threaded adapters, this hole saw set can handle a wide range of materials. To sum things up, the Diablo DHS14 SGP is a top-grade, fast-cutting hole saw set that provides clean and straight holes to your hardwood, softwood, steel, or any other materials. Now check out the Milwaukee 49-22-4185, the most durable and easy-to-use hole saw kit that comes with a hardened design to ensure longer lifespan for a wide range of applications. Featuring the new 3.5 TPI tooth design and bimetal construction, this hole saw kit offers you the longest life in all your metal applications and can easily take on all general-purpose applications. This kit has all access slots to solve your issues of plug removal, making you more productive with less downtime between holes while giving you increased pilot visibility for accurate placement. Plus, the kit comes with a thermoset coating that allows for 25% faster cutting per charge and is ice hardened for up to 50% longer life in its class. Furthermore, this hole saw kit also includes a convenient storage case, allowing enhanced storage of all the saws and accessories. In short, this Milwaukee 49-22-4185 will never slow you down when cutting metal or wood with its professional-grade build quality. Last but not least, we have the deWalt D18-0005 at number 1 on our list. A USA-made hole saw kit that's totally reliable and comes with multiple popular bits for you to use in different applications. Because of the patented tooth forms and bimetal construction, this hole saw kit offers 50% longer life and optimizes chip removal for efficient drilling. Each hole saw kit has a large and continuous slot that allows you fast plug ejection and removal, while the C-clamp design with tool-free clamping ensures operations without any surface damage. This high-hardened hole saw kit is designed for all thick materials and provides versatile drilling performance with high-speed steel cutting that delivers fast cuts through wood, metal, and plastic. Moreover, it comes with a strong storage case that allows storing the saws and accessories to carry them easily around your job site. Featuring professional-level quality while also keeping reliability in mind, this deWalt D18-0005 will live up to all your requirements of cutting metal or wood materials. So that was the list for the 7 best hole saw kits just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.